Hi, you guys. I'm here to talk to you guys about the Dr. Robert Morse, about the protocol. I am taking the Lymph Node Support 5 these days, and I just wanted to come on here and just give a really quick blurb about how well it's been working for me. Well, one thing about our lymphatic system is our sewer system. It is what helps to clean the toxins or bad things out. It helps to remove cancer cells, tumor cells, boils, things like that out of your system. We want to make sure that we help our system to get the necessary help our system get the necessary help to get those things out of our bodies. So our lymphatic system is something that's really important. You have to exercise. Our lymphatic system works. It doesn't have its own pump. Like the blood flows and has its own pump, which is our heart. Our lymphatic system doesn't have a pump or its own type of mechanism to make it flow. The way that our lymph fluid flows through our system is through movement. So therefore, you have to get out, you have to exercise. Even people I like to talk to people who are like 200 pounds plus. Those are the people that really, really need to be encouraged to lose weight, to start getting the motivation for more life within them, because there's so much in you that you have to offer. But carrying around that extra weight and things is burdening your life with diabetes, heart disease, all kind of different ailments, lupus, cancers, all those things. We have a bigger chance than someone who is not overweight. Even though there are people who are not overweight that want to lose weight, I'm not minimizing that, but I'm talking to my 2, 3, 4, and 500 pound people. We need to stick together. We need to stay encouraged. What I want for you is to understand your body, learn your body, stand in the mirror, butt naked. Look at your body. What do you want to change? Those things that you want to change about yourself, you can. You're going to change them. You know why? Because you're starting with the very first step of admitting to yourself that you need to make a change. So I'm going to be talking to you guys more about what you can do to start getting your kidneys, your lymphatic system, your adrenal glands, and your liver cleansed. So that way, once we get those in shape, your body is just going to start leaving all the healing up to your organs. You're going to help it. You're going to be determined. And I'm here with you every step of the way. Okay? I'll see you guys in the next video. So please like this video. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell so that you can get updated videos and notifications when I start putting out these videos for us. Okay? I love you. Know that I love you. Know that I care. I truly care about you guys. I do. Bye. Mwah. See you soon.